Traps dirt and filth. Various damaging particles and dust can collect over your engine. However, with FRAM car air filter, extra guard entraps these particles for a safer, cleaner, and quality engine performance. Double maximum protection. FRAM automotive replacement engine filter provides 2x the protection compared to standard filters for up to 12,000 miles. Easy installation. A seamless DIY replacement that can be completed in minutes. Remove your old filter, replace with FRAM engine filter ensuring it is sealed around the perimeter, replace cover and fasten. Smoother horsepower performance. Extra guard filter is designed to clean up exhaust so that the engine is less likely clogged by dirt. With a cleaner output, the engine is able to function efficiently, leading to a smoother and higher horsepower. Expansive airflow. With a fine filter media, extra guard captures various debris without hampering airflow. Filter attracts dirt like a magnet so that maximum amount of debris stay trapped to prevent entering within the engine. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfectly. I wasn't sure what size I was looking for. Thanks to the help of telling you if an item will fit your vehicle, I was able to find the correct size with just one try. It wasn't the same brand but looked exactly the same and much cheaper than going to have it done.